Here today we got a 1956 Chevrolet Belair hardtop. It's a very cool car in my opinion. It's available here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina. It's the original gray over white. I can't remember the exact color gray. I think it might have been Dawn gray. This car has a ton of options. Power seat, power windows, padded dash, traffic viewer, has spotlights on both sides, tissue dispenser. Some of the chrome on the piping on the seat is letting loose, but it still looks very nice inside. Dome light works. Got rocker moldings and the rear gravel guards on the fenders. The accessory wire hubcaps. Got a visor on here. Bumper wraps and the bumper guard, grill guard. The fender birds, which are 56 only. Here's the special part. 6-cylinder. Original 6-cylinder engine. Car was always a 6-cylinder. The trim tag verifies the original colors. Has power steering, power brakes, and a remote oil filter. All which I think was pretty rare on a 56 6-cylinder. Windshield washer squirter. Car runs and drives great. Very detailed out underneath the hood. Same on this side. Rocker moldings and fender gravel guards. Accessory hubcaps. Paint and chrome are all in really good condition. Fender skirts on the sides. Does have a dual exhaust, which most 6-cylinders would have been single, but they split it in the middle and ran it back to a dual. So it has the accessory exhaust tips, bumper wraps in the back, Continental kit. There is a spot right here on the Continental kit that looks like it's been touched up. Maybe they had it open, the trunk open, and the latch landed on it. I forgot to show you. Power windows work. Power seat works. This spotlight does cut on. That one over there does not. Again, this is a 1956 Chevrolet Belair hardtop, available here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina. We're asking $65,000 for this car. Has been frame off restored and it's got a lot of options, and I think it's a pretty unique car. If you're interested in it, give us a call or send us a message. We'll be glad to help you out.